Hey guys, it's Jeff. I did a little bit more with the printer last night and this morning. I got the lower jaw printed for the T-Rex skull and a few other little things. So if you're interested, let's go down to the bench and I'll show you. Be right back. Okay, I went into Tinkercad, which is just a free online design program, free online CAD. And they have some shapes, predefined in there. And I just pulled one into the work plate and saved it as a file and then sent it to the slicer and sliced it and printed it. My main goal was to see dimensions, how close this came to what the picture, what the drawing said. And it's ever so slightly shorter and ever so slightly narrower, or smaller across the diameter than what the design was. 3D printing is not going to give you the accuracy of like CNC or a machinist type finish, something that you would finish on a lathe or something. But that's okay. You could, I could fine tune it and try and figure out the discrepancy and make it make the drawing just a little bit bigger or smaller to adjust for it and get it a little bit closer, but I'm not sure if it's worth it. As you can see, there's a little, I think, that's the bottom. That's setting on the masking tape, which is what I used for this one. And then that's the top 3D print. Now this stuff can be sanded and you can make that nice and smooth, which is something I wanted to try. Also, I just pulled this shape off. Whoops, I'm bumping the camera. And I did the same thing and I printed it. This is supposed to be 20 millimeters inside. This is supposed to be 20 millimeters outside. So there is a slight discrepancy. Like I say, it could be adjusted. But I'm just trying to kind of get a hang for what's expected, what you need to do to get sizes you want and things. And I got to thinking, let me see if I can focus this a little bit better. Well, it's not too bad up close here. I thought maybe I could print like a window. One thing I really want to get into is dioramas and printing doors and windows and just all the accessories, rain gutters, barrels, anything you can think of that you would use to make a diorama look a little more lived in or lively. So I went ahead and just pulled up a square on Tinkercad, and I made one square, and then I just duplicated it 6 times and printed it, and that's the way it turned out. Like you can see, the finish is not perfect, but it can be sanded now. Something interesting about 3D printing, and this is all adjustable, but there's really no reason for this part here to be solid. I mean, if you want it solid, you can print it solid, or you can do what they call infill. And this is actually hollow with like a honeycomb inside of it. Okay, so it saves me a little bit on the filament. But that's the stuff that I printed today. Just learning. None of this stuff is going to really be used for anything, but at least I tried it and I know what it is possible. Alrighty guys, well, you all have a great day, and we'll talk to you tomorrow. Okay, bye bye.